Hello Year 3. Yesterday we were talking about magnets. We found out that magnets have a north and a south pole, just like the Earth does. And you made some predictions as to what you thought would happen if we brought together north and north, south and south and north of the magnets. So today we're going to conduct that experiment and find out our results. So let's start by bringing together north and north of these magnets. What do you think is going to happen? As I'm bringing them together, it's actually really hard to push these two together. If I try and push them together, they definitely do not want to come together. They are repelling each other, which means they are moving apart. What about if I try south and south together? Let's have a look. Coming together. Again, really hard to push these two together. They repel each other. What about with south and north together? Let's have a go. Aha, they actually stick together. So they are attracting. And what about if I try south and north, try it the other way? What do you think is going to happen? Again, they stay together. They attract. So what this tells us is that when poles are the same, they repel each other. For instance, if I've got my handy magnets here, so I've got north and north facing each other, if they try and come together, they do not want to come together, which means they are going to what? They are going to repel each other. If it's south and south, they are the same poles. If it's the same poles, when I bring them together, they don't want to come together. They repel. If I flip them round, so I've got north in the middle and south in the middle over here, what happens? They attract. They do come together. And if I've got north and south, so just the opposite, because they're different, they come together again. So that shows us that opposite poles attract, whereas if it's the same pole, they repel.